Hello everyone, my name is Kikiope Olajide and I'm a sophomore studying biological sciences at Grambling State University. Today I'm here to speak concerning the just completed 5 weeks Deloitte Communications Accelerator program. My, has it been a journey. I have learned so much. I've learned about communication, I've learned about networking, I've learned about so many things in my life that do not even relate to those concepts just from being in this session. And I just want to say thank you to Deloitte. Thank you for this amazing opportunity to help young Black college students like me. I especially love today's rounding off session because I saw one of my alumni, yes, that attended Grambling State University as well, and I was just so happy to see someone from my university that is doing so well for ourselves. It gave me like hope and aspiration for my journey ahead. So I just want to say thank you so much, Deloitte. Thank you for this past 5 weeks. I loved all the sessions and keep doing what you're doing. And yes, you're gonna see my application. Thank you.